Hey guys. Okay, so we are going to be talking about the different types of slope today. Um, we know that there's positive and negative slopes, but there's also different types of slopes as well that are not just positive and negative. So we know a positive slope is going up from left to right. Okay, so here's just a random line, but I know that this line has a positive slope because it is going up left to right. So this is a positive slope. Okay. We also know that a negative slope is going down left to right. Okay, so I'm looking from the left to the right. This one's going up, left to right. This one's going down. This one is a negative slope. Okay, so these two are the two that we're used to seeing. We know that we can write these equations as y equals mx plus b. Okay. On this one, m or our slope will be a positive number. On this one, m or our slope will be a negative number. But there are two other types of slope. There is a slope where the line is just straight across like this perfectly. Okay? This slope's not going up, it's not going down. This is a zero slope. This is a zero slope. This is when m equals 0. M is equal to 0. The slope is equal to 0. But the equation does look a little bit different for this type of line. Yes, y equals mx plus b could still work, but if m is 0, anything times 0 is just 0. So the equation for this is just going to be y equals b. Y is just going to equal your y-intercept. There's not going to be an x, there's not going to be a slope, it's just going to be y equals your y-intercept. Wherever this line crosses, it's going to be y equals that number. And then our last slope is when the line is going straight up and down. It is a vertical line. This you can't do. If you think about, skiing, when you have a positive slope you're skiing, you're going up the hill getting ready to go down. When it's negative, you're going down the hill. When it's just flat, you're not really having fun or anything. It's just, 0. This, you can't ski straight down. You can't ski down a building. This you cannot do. This is called undefined. And you guys have heard about this with us practicing anything divided by zeros. This is undefined. Okay? There is no number for slope. M isn't anything. And the equation is completely different from these two. The equation is not y equals mx plus b. There is no slope. There is no y-intercept. There's only an x-intercept. So for this equation, you're going to say x equals the x-intercept. This is the only time that our equation is going to start with x equals is if the line is straight up and down. And it's going to be this point right here wherever the line crosses the x-axis. So there is no possible slope. It's not saying that the slope is 0. It's saying that there is no slope. You can't have that type of slope. And there's no y-intercept. So it is undefined. We will continue to work on this tomorrow, looking at these different types of slope and writing the equations for them. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know.